Hi, so let's see how we can generate concept map or flowchart using AI. Which topic should I choose? So we can take any chapter, suppose physics ka chapter or geography ka chapter, both are my favorite. So recently we have generated bulleted summary, point form summary of one of the chapter of physics. Let's go with it first and then we may try for geography as well. So for concept map, you have to prompt accordingly. You have already learned how to give an effective prompt, but there is also a meaningful keyword which you have to consider, which will give you the desired output. So here you are asking AI to give a Mermaid.js code, which we will paste in the Mermaid.js editor and we will get a flowchart. The benefit of doing is that you have a feature of edit. We will see what I have said as we will proceed. So let's have a look at this prompt. So you are assigning a role that you are an expert teacher or expert pedagogy expert and you have uploaded NCERT. What is your task? That you want to create a visual guide and use a nested hierarchical structure for effective understanding, connecting ideas to smaller details. And you are also saying this much. This is what you want, Mermaid.js code. If you will ask AI directly to create a flowchart, there will be one issue. Let's see. So to save some time, I am doing copy paste. Copy. So I have already uploaded this chapter, तो इसी का बना लेते हैं अभी. So you want Mermaid.js code. So it has not given me the code. So sometimes it happens. Oh, it has given me a concept map as well as Mermaid.js code at last. So as you can see, this is a Mermaid.js code. If I do this full screen and if I can zoom, so you can have a look. It has created a flowchart like electric charge, positive, negative, this, like charges repel, unlike retract, conductor, insulator and everything. But there is one issue. This is in an image form. So suppose ChatGPT ने, Gemini ने या किसी भी LLM model ने कोई गलती कर दी. If there is any mistake, how will you edit this? So for this purpose, we are going to use Mermaid.js code because you are an expert. You know which sentence is wrong. So where it has done a mistake. So you are the one who can easily correct it. So you can download this image as a PNG from this icon. So suppose you have downloaded this and now I'm going to save and let me show you once again what exactly happened. So this is your flow chart that you have created with the help of AI. But suppose if you want to edit this, यहाँ पे suppose there's a spelling mistake or a conceptual mistake, you will not be able to edit this. For this purpose, we will go here. Here we have a code. So this is a Mermaid code. It's not so difficult to understand, but you will understand. Let's copy this code. Now let's open Mermaid.js live editor. So यहाँ से कोड लेके आपको किसी एडिटर में पेस्ट करना है and then you can run. So this is our Mermaid.js editor. So what happens? यहाँ पे you can click. So in this editor, so how you can understand how this diagram actually forms. A is Christmas, फिर arrow लगा के get money, then arrow लगा के B. So this B लगा के that is shopping. So that is how the map has been created. So if you want to create manually, like यहाँ से आपको एक wire निकालना है, तो go shopping, then arrow and one more and you can create. But since we already have a code, you can just Control A and I have deleted everything, Control V. So now I have only pasted the Mermaid code and I have deleted all the threads, or there is an option of fix with AI. So if there is any error, it will automatically fix. So now we can see this is what we have got. Suppose you can click here and you will get the code and you can just zoom. So let's click here and we can move. So this is what it has created. Now if you want to edit something, suppose here insulator is a mistake. So you can click on insulator and you can edit. So that is the benefit of using Mermaid.js code. And then you can export and save it as an image file or as a PDF file. Click on export. Saved. So now you can see this is your complete flow chart of this chapter. Now let's try another. Now suppose you want to create for any geography chapter, let's say geography class 11th NCRT. So here I have chosen class 11th geography, and then we have fundamentals of geography. Okay, let's go with fundamentals of geography. And chapter number 2, the earth. Okay, so I have downloaded this geography book. Now I am going to upload this book and I will give a prompt. So I am copy pasting to save our time. Now it has given a concept map as well, but we have asked only for Mermaid code, so it is giving at last. Here you can also edit directly like Mermaid.js code, but sometimes some LLMs will not give you this option, like Gemini may not give you this live editing feature. For that you can just copy this code and paste in Mermaid.js editor, and you will get the editing feature for creating a concept map. So I have copied now Mermaid live editor. Now Control A, Control V, and now we have this. So we can close this. Here is where I have pasted the code. Now here is our concept map. So it has formation of planets, hot and rocky earth, evolution of earth, and next if you want to edit, you can edit and you can download. We have already seen how to do this. So we have learned how to generate a concept map, but wait, always remember that you are the SME, you are the subject matter expert. Whether to accept this generated concept map or not, you are the one who has to decide, because you have the knowledge. So technology will assist you, but teachers will lead. You can use the generated content, but before trusting, you have to verify. I hope you are enjoying the course. We'll see you in the next video.